Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the verification required error when installing WeChat on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap iTunes and App Store. At the top, tap your Apple ID and select View Apple ID. You may need to sign in with your Apple ID password to access the account settings. Once you're in, scroll to the Purchase History section. Look for any outstanding balance. This could be a pending payment or incomplete transaction. You need to either pay the balance or contact Apple for a refund if it's not something you want. Clearing this balance is required to fix the verification required message. Next, go to Payment Information under your account settings. Here, you can either update your payment method or select None if you don't want to use a card. Make sure to tap Done to save your changes. After this, exit Settings and return to the App Store. You should now be able to download, install, and update apps freely, including WeChat, without seeing the verification error. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.